I'm Damon.
I'm Elena. I remember all of it.
You want a love that consumes you.
I love you, Elena.
You want passion and adventure and even a little danger. I want you to get everything you're looking for. But right now, I want you to forget that this happened.
God, we shouldn't have to forget this. But you do.
Stefan,
I know what you're gonna say.
then let me say it. I know that I shouldn't feel that way, but when I'm with him, it just consumes me. I love him so much. And I know how much you love me. But it's over.
Elena.
David, I don't want to be with him anymore.
Where's Elena? I need to see Elena now. How do you feel? I'm mad at you because I love you.
Hey, listen to me. David, I love you.
Whenever you go too far, I will be there to pull you back. Every second, every day. You're all like that.
You and I, forever.